Limiting the quantity of a product on Shopify helps manage inventory and ensures customers can purchase more than what you have in stock. Here's how to set quantity limits. Adjust product inventory settings. From your Shopify admin, go to Products and select the product you want to set a quantity limit for. In the product details, scroll to the inventory section. Make sure track quantity is enabled. This ensures Shopify tracks how many units are available. Set a maximum purchase limit. To limit the number of items a customer can purchase, you can either use a third-party app or manually adjust stock levels. For simple limits, try using an app like Order Limits. Install the app and configure the rules, such as setting a minimum or maximum quantity per order, limiting the total quantity of a product a customer can purchase. Save changes. After setting the desired limits, click Save to apply the changes. Limit based on stock. You can also limit quantity based on the inventory available. For example, if you only have 10 items, the app or built-in Shopify settings can prevent purchasing beyond that.